Working for XTX in Paris was quite unique because we could bring a team that was made of people that has global experience, but as well being able to infuse the French culture into the design. We work with Acrylic to create a unique arrival experience, very digital, very on brand. Very specific about XTX is that there are people that work a lot with computers, with many screens. It's very digital daily work. So they wanted also spaces where they could completely leave the computer behind and be together, focus, recharge, discuss together, brainstorm, but without any technology. Throughout the design process, we took really a lot of energy in finding local products, local suppliers for furniture, lighting, finishes, so we can showcase the French expertise and workmanship. That was really one of the key drivers of the project. The workplace design has been approached with a sensorial experience. So every space is thought with 5 senses. So the smell, the texture, the patterns, the colors, the sound, the feel that you have as you're in the space is really important. And as soon as you enter in the office, you've got that large view on the Eiffel Tower that is unblocked.
We install a telescope for them to be able to take a step further and really enjoy the view. We really wanted to create really special features and play with the illusion of the space. So, for example, at the entrance, we installed a mirror at the ceiling. We also have at the entrance of the space TV screen displaying some live data that we are collecting with the BMS system displayed on the screen, so they can actually see what are the lights or the temperatures, the air quality of the space, and they can decide to adapt the performance of the space to their needs.
The implementation of a digital twin using these smart sensors that we've installed throughout the space allows us to get really a picture of how well the building's doing.
It's a very clever system that we have built to optimize the efficacy of the building. So everything is linked to one system, which helps to integrate all the data at the same place, which needed a deep study, coordination with all the teams involving our team, the engineer technology team, but also all the contractors and the suppliers of those kind of systems.
All of these departments interacting with each other right from the get-go. So we've got, technology, design, construction, workplace tech as well, being involved right from the offset. And that really allows us to dig into how the space is designed, how we think that it's going to be used based on, the client brief and what we know about the client. And that then goes through almost like inside-out design and inside-out implementation of the software, the technology, what the building allows us to do. And ultimately that enhances not only the design output that we have, but also the way that the clients can then use that space.
One of the advantages we had as a team is that we are international. Some of the team members are in London, some in Paris, and the client as well were seated in 2 different cities. We really had a great dynamic and synergy into working and collaborating together from both sides of the channel.
We have been in a long-term relationship with M-Mother and have used them for different offices around the globe. We have been impressed with their willingness to go beyond what is expected to deliver office spaces that truly reflects us as a company. This is further highlighted by the breakout spaces, which allow XTX staff to spend more time relaxing away from their desks. Staff have been exploring and engaging with the space with a lot of excitement. And this is still the case, to be honest, so it has been definitely a positive on that front.